My name is Jon Ulf Hansen. I'm a researcher at Statens Serum Institute in Denmark. At SSI, our group is focused on collaborations with academia and industry on the non-clinical development of novel therapeutics, antibacterials, and vaccines. Our focus is on efficacy assessment in vitro and in vivo. Today, in collaboration with Adjutech from Norway, I'll be sharing the in vivo results of APC247, a broad-spectrum beta-lactamase inhibitor targeting both SBL and MBL enzymes. In vitro results using isogenic E. coli strains expressing individual enzymes have demonstrated broad inhibition of clinically relevant enzymes of all classes, A, B, C, and D, and bacterial killing in combination with meropenem, cefepime, ceftazidime, and ampicillin. At SSI, we have screened clinical and reference Carbapenem-resistant isolates of species Acinetobacter baumannii, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Klebsiella pneumoniae, and E. coli by meropenem and APC247 checkerboard assays and found a greater overall susceptibility of Klebsiella and E. coli isolates. Potentiation of meropenem was confirmed in follow-up experiments on a slightly larger panel of E. coli and Klebsiella isolates using checkerboard MIC assays, growth response, and time kill, confirming the efficacy for 17 out of 17 E. coli isolates and 25 out of 31 Klebsiella isolates. In this poster, we demonstrate the in vivo efficacy of meropenem and APC247 combination treatment in a mouse thigh infection model. Virulence and meropenem resistance was confirmed in neutropenic female NMR mice for 2 E. coli and 2 Klebsiella strains identified in the in vitro screen having a meropenem MIC between 32 and 256. Proof of concept studies using parenteral administration of subtherapeutic doses of meropenem in combination with APC247 showed a clear bacterial killing in a APC247 dose-dependent manner for all 4 carbapenem-resistant pathogens. In a short duration model using 2 doses of meropenem and APC247, the bacterial burden was reduced below stasis and more than 1 log compared to meropenem monotherapy, and increasing the exposure with repeated Q4-hour dosing over a 24-hour period further reduced the bacterial numbers down to 1 log kill levels compared with baseline and more than 2 to 3 logs compared with meropenem monotherapy. Thank you for your time. We are excited to present a novel broad-spectrum beta-lactamase inhibitor targeting important carbapenem-resistant pathogens.